Installing Elden Ring Seamless Co-op is a very simple process. First, what you want to do is go to the game Elden Ring's files. Browse local files, then go into the game folder of Elden Ring. Next, you'll want to go to Downloads to find your zip folder. Once in Downloads, you'll want to open the zip file. I already have this in my game folder, but you will click and drag over the files in the zip. Once that is done, you will want to create a shortcut of the erclauncher.exe, which should be down at the bottom. And then you will launch from that. Before you do that, you will want to go under the Seamless Co-op folder and go into the ERC settings folder. Once you open the folder, you can change the settings to be as you like. The most important factor of the settings folder is the co-op password. This will be the key to people playing on the same session as you. It can be anything you want. As long as everyone that's trying to play has the same password, it will function correctly. Once you have the shortcut on your desktop or somewhere that you can easily access it, you will launch from it. This will take you right into the game, and you may enjoy the realms beyond with your friends. Once in the game, you will be prompted to start a new game. You'll resume and make your character as normal. You will also continue throughout the tutorial area as you would normally. Once you get to a site of grace, you get the ability to access multiplayer. You can do the tutorial if you want, but you might want to come past the tutorial area, if unfamiliar with the game, and go over to the site of grace. Here you will rest and unlock the ability to play in Seamless Co-op. As you see, I've gotten about 8 new items. Now, of these items, these 3 are likely the most important. The Tiny Great Pot allows you to open your world to wanderers, which will be your friends. Once you go through that menu and you open your world, your friends are able to join via the Effigy of Millennia, and then you can go on your free adventure. However, if you run into difficulties, if you need to restart the session, you will end the session by using the Separation Mist. If you want to edit the roles of the session, you can go into the Judicator's rulebook. This allows you to toggle PvP, friendly fire, and teams. And that should be the basics of a Seamless Co-op lobby.